Hello student, this is our geography class and we are studying chapter number 3, water bodies. In our previous class we have studied about the water bodies, main features of water bodies, Pacific Ocean, characteristics of Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, characteristic of Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and the characteristics of the Indian Ocean. In today's class, we are going to study about the Arctic Ocean. So let's start. The Arctic Ocean lies around the North Pole and remains perpetual frozen. Means Arctic Ocean lies in the South Pole. It lies in the North Pole and remains perpetual frozen. Remains frozen. It extends southward up to the Arctic Circle and it extends to the Arctic Circle. It is more or less surrounded by land. It is likely to be some part is surrounded by lands. North America, Europe, and Asia are the three continents. The three continents that border the ocean in the south, and the three continents, one is North America, second is Europe, and third is Asia, is surround the this ocean in the south. The ocean is connected to the Pacific Ocean. That Arctic Ocean is connected to the Pacific Ocean by the narrow Bering Strait. With a narrow Bering Strait, it is connected to the Pacific Ocean, our largest ocean. So the Arctic Ocean merges with the Atlantic Ocean between the Greenland. So we can say that Arctic Circle merges means combines with the Atlantic Ocean between the Greenland and Scandinavia place. It is a place. Greenland is Scandinavia. Most part of the ocean remain covered with ice throughout the year. Most part of the Arctic Ocean is covered with snow throughout the year. On the whole year, icebergs are very common in the Arctic Ocean. We can see icebergs normally in the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is strictly not an ocean as it is not navigable. We cannot navigate to the ocean, so it is not an ocean. Its salinity is very low. The salinity of this ocean is very low. Now the characteristics of the Arctic Ocean. The salinity of this ocean is very low as we read earlier, and it remains frozen throughout the year. Already read. Its salinity varies seasonally as the ice cover melts and freezes. Icebergs are common in this ocean. We can see icebergs commonly in this ocean. Its area of over 13 million square kilometer entitles it to be called an ocean. So this ocean means the Arctic Ocean cover a 13 million square area kilometer entity area. So that's why we call it as a ocean. Now the Southern Ocean. The continent of Antarctica is surrounded by the water body. Continent of the Antarctica. Antarctica continent is surrounded by a water body, or that water body is called the Southern Ocean. It is also known as Antarctic Ocean. It is actually an extension of the Pacific. Means it is a extension of as a part of Pacific. The Atlantic and the Indian Ocean means the Southern Ocean or the Antarctic Ocean is the extension, means a part of Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Ocean, and it's remain frozen during winter. It remain frozen, it freezes during the winter. The ocean is full of whales. A lot of whales are there in this ocean, in Southern Ocean, and different kind of fishes and many kind of fishes. Like the Arctic Ocean, it is not navigable. As we know, Arctic Circle is not navigable. Same, the Southern Ocean is also not navigable. Now the characteristics of the Southern Ocean. It comprises the southernmost water of the world ocean. Means a total of world ocean of the world, and is on the southern part. Generally be taken to be south of 60 degrees south latitude and encircling Antarctica. Now it is the larger than the Arctic Ocean. It is greater than the Arctic Ocean. Captain James Cook, by way of his voyage in 1770s, found the waters compass the southern latitude of the globe. Now the importance of ocean. The ocean are useful to us in many ways. Ocean are the main source of moisture in the atmosphere. They create moderating effects on the climate, and it's create a moderating effect in our climate. They are the vast reservoir of fishes. It is helpful in the fish's life, and also edible and other edible marine life. We can reserve the fishes and other edible marine life which we can eat. It is the vast reservoir of that things. Third is, they contain dissolved salts. The many salts we can extract, we can get from the ocean. They are rich in minerals deposits. Many minerals we can get from the oceans, and chemical which are quite beneficial to us, and many chemicals from the ocean. They are the common source of energy. We can get a lot of energy from ocean, like tides and waves can be converted to generate more and more power. Harness or convert it is the same thing. They are natural link between the continents. The oceans connect the continents and provide a free highway for travel and trade. It's a highway, means there is no traffic in the ocean, so it's a free highway for travel and trade between the continents. They are the source of water to mankind through water cycle. It's a water cycle. We get water is evaporated from the ocean, and with the way of rain we get purified water to drink. Oil and gas are important fuels obtained from ocean. We can get oil and gas from the ocean. Ceaseless efforts too of marine biologists and aquanauts make possible the process of desalination, deep sea oil exploration and production, and deep sea mine. Means they all do that things to get benefit from the ocean of the important minerals, mining of the important minerals. But there are dispute amongst the nation over the use of ocean. Many nation says we are exploiting the ocean, or it is in our territory, why you are using their ocean. So student, that's all from today's class. In our next class we are going to study about the seas. Our ocean is completed here. Seas and distribution of seas we are going to study in our next class. Till then, read this chapter up to the importance of oceans. If you have any problem regarding this chapter up to importance of ocean till now, you can ask me during class hours your doubts, your problem. I will try to solve each and every problem. So read it. Thank you, student. Thank you for listening.